Welcome back to another episode of Vibes and Insight with Nande. Hope y'all are doing good out there and everybody are do quite fine. So we see that Vibes Kartel preview a new song. He seemingly aiming at Devabrad. Him take some shots off of him. Well, it's a preview. We're just waiting to hear what's in the whole song to see if he more take more shots. Is it that him finally adjust Devabrad, or him still going to beat around the bush and hide as usual as him always be? Vibes Cartel, we notice said of lately him a run from clashes and him just not indulging in no clashes. So, well, as me say, the preview of the song, y'all can go listen it over him page, him Instagram page. Him seemingly I take some shots off of Devabrad. He must say it if it it a tape, gas and a rape. So that is more so the shots we might aim at Devabrad. But currently nothing not really going on in the media right now. Everybody cool up. Everybody cool up. Everybody just a recycle every little thing right now where you see a go on. Nothing really hot. And what I feel like is that the artists them are the media perspective, I should say. Nothing not really go on per se to them. I feel like the only thing right now for stir up something in a game, a alkaline for do something. Because right now, without alkaline in some sense, without alkaline being active or doing much, it's like the people are hungry for something. And as I say in a previous review, say Vybz Alkaline is Vybz Kartel only rival, and it's like him not see nobody else as him rival, or him not see nobody fit enough for him and them go at it, media-wise, music-wise, or whatever. So the Beenie Man thing out our box already. But we see that Beenie Man still a go at it about this kingship. You remember have to say about the kingship. Remember, say back in the days, when Yellowman was the first dancehall artist for showcase dancehall to the world. Remember, he wasn't crowned like king of the dancehall, but he was the very first. But he wasn't crowned. He got a title, and the title was King Yellowman. He wasn't king of the dancehall. Now, here comes Beenie Man claiming his title, and remember, he was a self-proclaimed king. He wasn't he wasn't placed king of the dancehall by the people. He was a self-proclaimed king. He proclaimed himself to be the king of dancehall. And you see that whole title became a whole controversy between currently right now, you see Vybz Kartel and Yellowman, and all three I go at it about the king thing. Now here's my take. Beenie Man claimed his title, right? He claimed his title to be the king of the dancehall. King Yellowman was his title was claimed as King Yellowman. Now Vybz Kartel, here comes Vybz Kartel. His title is the king. His title is world boss. Remember, as I said, his title was world boss. Now you see right there, all three entertainers has their own title. Them claim them own title. One a King Yellowman, Beenie Man say him a king of the dancehall. Vybz Kartel say him a world boss. The Gaza dancehall era, as he stated in a majority of his songs. Cool. Now here come we're in this era, 2025, the year 2025. We see this thing stirring up again about who is the king of the dancehall. People have to remember, say all three artists, they already claimed their title. Now to see that Vybz Kartel want interfere himself or interject himself into the Beenie Man and him business about who is the king of the dancehall. Vybz Kartel, if you remember, say he already claimed his title, Beenie Man claimed theme title, king of the dancehall. And Beenie Man no want to see, in a sense, it seems as if Beenie Man is being bullied to give up his title that he claimed himself. It seems as if, and we see that Beenie Man girlfriend come out and attack on a platform on Instagram and she talk about it and whatever. So I'm saying that Beenie Man already claimed him title, Vybz Kartel claim him title. It looks away now to see that Vybz Kartel want Beenie Man's title. Him want claim Beenie Man title after Beenie Man claim him title already, you see me? Now, all I may say is, bro, if everybody have them title and everybody claim them title, it should be balanced out. You shouldn't be a person wanting to. That would come off as red eye to me if you say Vybz Kartel want take away Beenie Man title after the man. Remember, say, the title never passed down, you know, the king of the dancehall thing never was a pass down. It wasn't like an organization to say, when years go by, if you do 10 years, you give up the title. And if the man they do 10 years, him give up the title. No, it wasn't like that. Beenie Man proclaimed theme title, Yellow Man proclaimed theme title as King Yellow Man. Vybz Kartel proclaimed theme title as World Boss. Now, if you see this now in the whole thing where them a go against one another, them a go. Them now clash, and it's like, what the sense? Them now clash, so what the sense? Them a go at it about this king title. We don't want to say a Vybz Kartel and a Devabrat clash, but we're not going to see that because Devabrat is a way lower caliber than Vybz Kartel. Vybz Kartel more advanced, more bigger than the musical wise, so you would know the Vybz Kartel not going to clash. But the Vybz Kartel and the Beenie Man thing right now, currently in this age, it don't even look pleasing, bro. Because as I say, every man get them title. As you would have Alkaline have him title, man himself, Vybz Kartel, World Boss, Beenie Man, King of the Dancehall, Yellow Man, King Yellow Man, Shabba, whatever him theme title be. Everybody have them title. But if you see that Vybz Kartel no want take a Beenie Man title, like forcefully, and knowing that Vybz Kartel knows that him have a bigger fan base from a Beenie Man, it only gonna make the fans and bully Beenie Man even more. We see it already. Him a bully Beenie Man. Him a bully Beenie Man to a sense where he want Beenie Man to give up his own title. And when you check all three artists' Instagram bio, all three of them now have King of the Dancehall in them bio. Me not understand. There can only be one king in our ring. Not saying one king, but every one of them are king. We all are kings and queens, right? You can claim whatever title you have. But when you see somebody come for take away your title, I try force you to give up your title. Them want your title. That come off ready eye and bad mind. Now, a lot of people are see it now say Vybz Kartel are try for bully Beenie Man and them are try to use the media and the fans for bully Beenie Man into giving up his title that he proclaimed himself. And remember, everybody said nobody never proclaimed Beenie Man King of the Dancehall. You know what the problem is? The name Dancehall for the king. Because when you check, as I say, all three of them, the word three of them have king in them name on them Instagram. Now the king, the name Dancehall, it about all three of them. Yellow Man claiming that he was the one who originated this thing from the get-go, from an earlier time, the dancehall aspect of it. Then here comes Beenie Man, now here comes Vybz Kartel. We all have to remember, say, the genre was already created already. Them more embodied it and more, orchestrate and build it up even more. Beenie Man, the theme thing, Vybz Kartel, the theme thing. What I'm trying to say is that what Beenie Man do is legendary. What Vybz Kartel is continuously doing is growing to be legendary also. Vybz Kartel have to understand, say, everything where him do was already created from the time, and him rebuild anything or rebrand or rename nothing. So claiming the title King of the Dancehall, it makes no sense. Beenie Man already proclaimed himself with that title. Vybz Kartel, you have your title already. You proclaim your title as World Boss already, or all the other names where you add on to your name, King Dancehall, Hero, whatever. You look at if you see now, you try to bully Beenie Man into giving up theme, whole king thing. It don't make no sense, brother. You see me? It don't make no sense. You have to just balance with where you have your title. Balance with whatever you have. But now you see that Yellow Man come out. Yellow Man supposed to retire a long time ago because you was the father. You was the father for the dancehall like that. You already got your glory and your flowers and your title, you're already a monument, you're already a figure in the game. So coming on for claim a title, it don't make no sense. It just look poor and it just look like it don't make no sense. It look pathetic. You don't make your name already. Vybz Kartel don't make theme name already. Beenie Man don't make theme name. They are all three of them have them title already. So now a man want to come take a Beenie Man title. Eh? And now we are debate about who is the new king of dancehall. It wasn't a title that was handed down. It wasn't like a handed down title to say, yo, 10 year for you, 10 year for you, 10 year for you, and so the generation go. It was never like that. It never created from the get-go like that. So now it look away in a Beenie Man eyes for no say him proclaim him own title. Him come up with the idea of saying King of the Dancehall. I know Vybz Kartel because him a run the streets now, him a dominate musical wise. Remember, so Vybz Kartel only have one gold record, and maybe a silver, as him say, Beenie Man have probably one also are, but he must have more accolades to add up to him accolades. He must have more things to add on to him accolades like Grammy, Mobo Award, trophies on top of trophies for him get, as you see him show in a most time post them on Instagram. That to say is Vybz Kartel, you still have a lot more to do, but at the same time, still he can't still have a lot to do, right? He's a 49-year-old. Time I gonna come when I forgot retire from dancehall. Who to tell if he's not going to retire, but because dancehall artists, nobody not retire. Everybody just dig up from the dirt and come back again, either with a song or whatever. But in time I go sue up. But me that I was thinking like a time for him get handed down the king of the dancehall. But when we check the history, I realize say yo, it wasn't like a title thing were handed down to a significant person. Every man just have them title. See it? Every man just have them title. Beenie Man get theme title as he proclaim himself to be. Vybz Kartel have theme title where he proclaim himself to be the world boss. World boss no bigger than king of the dancehall, but them want the significant name. They want the significant name for add on for them name. So man I say them a king of the dancehall. Man I say I'm a king of this, king of that. We all are kings. We just have to work with what we are working and how we are have. Beenie Man say him do the work, him put in the work, him give himself the title. When he had given him name King of the Dancer, nobody never have a problem with it. Or maybe they had a problem, but not to all that. But now that Vybz Kartel come now and do him thing and him must shine bright like a diamond. Him must make waves and rare. Now him feel the need to say him want to take a Beenie Man title. I not understand it. Dancehall is just one big puppy show thing. You not see the king of the queen of England and give up her title. She dead now and it passed down to her son. But when she was alive, you never see she had passed it down. And she was still alive when she had it. So I'm not like something where I pass down. You know see the king of reggae a passed down to nobody. Bob Marley, he never did a pass down to nobody. But now that somebody else I do it big now I do it musical wise. Because it's only music that Vybz Kartel is doing. And him have the attention of the people and him impact they're the current right now. But you know see the king of reggae pass down to nobody. So all of a sudden now we are debate about this king of the dancehall. Who is the king of the dancehall? That's why I'm glad how my artist balance with him and balancing him. Now run down the king. Because what me I say is that the king no give having being the king of the dancehall no give you no bonus points. It gives you no bonus points. So now we I see people are kill up themselves, artists are kill up themselves wanting to be the king of dancehall. The man don't proclaim himself that title already. So I don't understand how them want debate about it or want the title with the man. If me proclaim myself to be something or me make myself a title, who do want to see a next man want to come take the title from me, Because me create that and me deem that from myself. Me say more on that. Or me put that over me. So now that Vybz Kartel hot and him had more songs than whosoever. Him do 13 years behind bars and him sell gold and him do this and him do that. Now him want to proclaim the man title. Brother, the man have him title, you have your title. You just have to balance out with your title. And that's all me see, bro. I'm not trying to talk down for none of man, but me just I say. King Yellowman have him title. Beenie Man have theme title as him claimed himself to be king of dancehall. Kartel have theme title world boss. Now the only problem with the only problem with the two of them have, Yellow Man and Kartel, are because the name dancehall attached to Beenie Man name. That's the only thing. Better if Beenie Man did attach another name, King of the Streets, King of Music, or King of whatever it may be. Would they have a problem with it? But no, they wouldn't, because of the name dancehall attached to the name. So them have a problem with that. Me nah say me not stand up for Beenie Man or nothing, but what I'm saying is that a man have a title over him name, make him man keep him title. You have your title over your name, you keep your title. Another man over there, so keep it and keep it moving, bro. Instead of now fuss on a war and then in the streets and who have the most impact on that. The man already have him title over him name, bro. And that's all I have to say. You know already, man. I Vybz and Inside with Nando. I'm out.